equinox, I just feel like things are changing.
No break, no break, no break.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm retarded.
If you're new here, it's Crown Sugar. Lock in, because I'm about to put you on, okay?
Top of the morning. So I just dropped my baby off at school, and I got here so goddamn early that I actually got time to get a car wash. I hopefully have an appointment at Equinox to do a little tour. No, I cannot fully afford. I'm not gonna say I can't. I didn't think that I could afford Equinox, but when I started crunching the numbers and seeing how much money I've been spending on frivolous food, I bust out $500 a week, which means I can afford Equinox and a meal plan. So yeah, and I feel like I told myself last year that I'm gonna be changing my life. I'm manifesting a new life for myself. No more poor sad girl. And now I'm getting into trading. I haven't started yet officially trading, but I have been like learning. And then a friend of mine is gonna even teach me. So when the student is ready to teach her peers, crunching numbers. Now I'm about to do a meal plan. Now I'm about to do a walkthrough at Equinox. I just feel like things are changing. You know, I've been doing my little influencer stuff. Like this about to be for YouTube. Hey YouTube, if you're new here, it's Crown Sugar. Lock in, because I'm about to put you on. Okay? Yeah, so we're here. I just found this little car wash in Brooklyn. Yeah, I'm getting a car wash in the middle of the winter. Apparently, the salt on the car can rust the car. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all know about that, because I don't know anything about that. But also, the car is filthy. Yep. So let's get it cleaned. They got a few options. Hold on. I think I'm gonna do the regular wash. The minivan special. Okay. See the man getting to work. Yeah. So yeah, this is us starting off the day. Then I have a client at 11 o'clock. Clients have been picking up. Let me tell y'all, I had my first big girl drink yesterday. A dirty martini. Heavy on the dirty. Now I see why on the shows they say make it extra dirty. It's really just more olive juice, and you need it, because if not, it's just straight gin. And it's not for the weak, and I am not a lightweight. And now that I've had it, I won't be having it again. But yeah. Yeah, I love a car wash. 14 for the outside. Not too bad, not too shabby.
No break, no break, no break.
Oh. Yeah. No, I'm retarded. Well, beam me up, Scotty. Beam me up. They dry me down. It rain, rain, rain. Hey guys, I just came from my equinox tour, and I remember going to equinox like over 10 years ago with a friend. We were thinking about this in our 20s, and we were broke and kind of just giving like, you know, it's too expensive, but for everything that you get with it, which is unlimited access to classes, um depending on the membership you get, you can travel all over the United States, in some places out of the country. They have coaches that are there to help you. It's just like, it's worth it because you're paying for that anyway. If you're trying to get into working out, you get guest passes. And after budgeting my money and looking at all the money I've been spending on fucking eating out, I can afford Equinox and then a meal plan. That's how much money I've been spending. So it's just like, yeah, something gotta change. So I'm on my way to do my client now. Yeah, that's basically it. After that, I'll go pick up my daughter, and might have to make a quick stop at the beauty supply store. I'm doing a quick weave, and I don't know if I have any mold, like to hold the hair down so that the glue doesn't damage the hair. So I'm gonna just go buy it. At the Equinox, I was feeling a little healthy, so got myself a salad with some salmon. It's pretty good bowl, I guess, because there ain't no lettuce up in here. No, I should have got some lettuce. It look kind of a little light, don't it? It's good though. I got a little focaccia on the sides, so that's where we at with it right now. Besides, if I want radical change in my diet and the way that I feel about myself, I have to do things radically. So cold turkey, spending, overspending, drinking alcohol, that's like the biggest expense. One drink costs like $15. You need two to really get you where you're trying to be. Like, that's crazy. But no one wants to buy a bottle and sit at home and drink by themselves because it's like sad. So, yeah. Radical change. This precaution is hard. I'm a little mad about that. That was $3. So as I mentioned before, we're doing a quick weave. So right now I'm just doing a little trim. We're going to do a half up, half down situation. And yeah, I'm going to mold her down, sit her under the dryer, and then I'll glue everything in. Right now I'm molding, so I'm using my Fantasia. If you know, you know. So yeah. So I officially finished gluing all the tracks in the back down. Now I'm gonna cut the cap and mold her hair in the front. So we're officially finished, and here is the finished look. It came out so cute. Honestly, every time I do my clients' hair, they always come to me with these really cute girly styles, and I'd be like, damn, I wish I could do my own hair like this. And I could, but I'm lazy. But anyway. Located at 265 Lorimer Street. And to finish off the day, I took my baby to Target and we did a little shopping. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.
Okay.